Welcome back. In our past two lessons, we were working on the two TH sounds, the soft TH and the hard TH. These two sounds are some of the most difficult sounds to make in the English language, and many of my students constantly struggle with them during our lessons. So for today's lesson, I want to invite you to the TH Sound Challenge, where you and I will be working very closely to start to master these TH words. So let's go ahead and begin with the TH Sound Challenge. In part one of this challenge, we'll be working with the soft TH sound, the th sound, heard in words like three. Now, in order to make this sound, please remember to stick your tongue in between your upper and lower teeth and exhale softly. So let's begin this challenge. Please repeat after me. Thin, thin, theater, theater, thought, thought, thorn, thorn, 30, 30. Now, let's try some difficult ones. Bath, bath, tooth, tooth, marathon, marathon, birthday, birthday, athlete, athlete. Good. Now let's try them all in a row. Please repeat. Thin, theater, thought, thorn, 30, bath, tooth, marathon, birthday, athlete. Good job. Let's move to part two of this challenge with the hard TH sound now, the sound that can be heard in the word the. Now to make this sound, let's remember it is just about identical to the soft TH sound, except while we make that sound, let's make an eh sound like this. Now please repeat after me. There, there, this, this, then, that, though. Good. Now let's move on to the next ones. Please repeat. Brother, brother, them, other, these, heather. Now once again, let's put them all in a row. There, this, that, then, though, brother, them, other, these, heather. There you go. Let's work on both of these sounds back to back now. You've had your warm-up with each sound, the soft TH and the hard TH. So we'll be starting this list with a soft TH word, then it will be followed by a hard TH one. So please keep in mind I will only be saying each word once. Do your best to keep up with me and try the best you can to get the difference between the soft TH sound and the hard TH sound. Let's begin the end of our challenge. 3, them, earth, father, both, there, 1,000, together, 13, those, cloth, other, through, then, something, that, theory, this, marathon, the end. Yes, good work. Now, that was a long list, and I know this lesson was very challenging. Go ahead and repeat it as much as you like. These videos are here to just give you more help, and do them at your leisure. That list, that was even tough for me. I tried to memorize it and I couldn't. You probably could tell, but I had to read that list, which I don't like doing, but hey, it was the TH Sound Challenge. But yes, our next couple of lessons, we're going to do something similar. I'm going to give you 2 lessons about 4 different sounds, and then a challenge afterwards. So you can be looking forward to that. And we're going to start off with the 2 sounds, the F and the V sound. But yes, join me again next time. Continue to practice, and I hope I'll see you again soon, all right? Have a good one. Bye.